how to add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. That is how to add these two fractions, right? Look, this is our problem. Half plus 1/3. Okay, to add these two fractions, look, we need common denominator, but here unlike denominator, here 2, here 3, but we need same denominator. And to look, if I want to take same denominator, then what will happen? If I multiply these 2 by these 3, then I will get 2 times 3, that is 6, right? And if I multiply these 3 by these 2, then I'll get 6. That is, I will get same denominator. So our target is to get same denominator, right? So we are getting that. Look, if you multiply here by 3, these 3 must come here as a like this, right? So here 2 will come here. So we are getting here, look, 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. So we have now common denominator or same denominator. In this case, now just we need to add the numerator, right? Then we'll get another fraction, right? So 3 plus 2, that gives me 5 over 6, and this is the answer, right? Okay, to find out this same denominator, that is LCD, least common denominator. This 6 is a least common denominator. What is least common denominator? This is the LCM, least common multiple. How to find this least common multiple? Look, here we have 2, here we have 3, that is 2 and 3. So first we have to find out the multiple of 2 and 3. The multiple of 2 is 2, then 4, then look, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, then 2 times 4 8, right? So for 3 times 1 3, then 3 times 2 6, right? 2 times 6, so here we have to add 6 also, right? 3 times 3 9. So look, LC, least common denominator, or least common denominator means least common multiple, that is smallest multiple. So look here, 6, right? Least common multiple, that is least common denominator is the smallest multiple that both numbers share, right? So 6. This is a method to find least common denominator. Look, LCM, here we have 2 and 3, 2 3, right? We can apply ladder method to find LCM. So 2 3, so we have to take a factor that divide this at least 2 numbers. So here is 1, so 2 3. Now we have to multiply this, 1 times 2 times 3, that is 6. That is 6 is the least common denominator or LCM. So to make it 6, we will multiply by the 3. To make it 6, we will multiply by the 2. If you multiply by something to the denominator, that similar process you have to apply to the numerator. I hope, believe and expect that you have gotten clear idea. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.